right here. This deck contains the messages from guardian angels. I'll shuffle 3 times. Oops, the angel of clarity is here. Okay. This card just popped out for Taurians too. I'm going to select one card, and I think this one, the angel of inner strength. Okay, the angel of clarity and the angel of inner strength for you. Of course, I feel that definitely you guys need some kind of clarity or are trying to find solutions to answers to questions. Some solutions or some answers to questions that you have in your mind, and that's why you are maybe stalking somebody a lot or asking questions or googling stuff, that kind of stuff you're doing, and that's why the angel of clarity has come into picture. The angel of inner strength means that definitely you're lacking inner strength around this time. Maybe you're questioning yourself. Maybe you think that, if an ex, for example, I'm just giving you an example, if an ex broke your heart or chose somebody else over you, then you're feeling sad about it, and that's why you're questioning yourself. Maybe I am not good enough, maybe that person is better, whatever. So the angel of inner strength is saying, no, you are wrong. Let's see what the angel of inner strength is asking you or telling you. It's saying, do you realize that you're magnificent, Pisces? Do you realize that? That's what the angel is telling you. It's not me. You can see that. Okay? Sorry. Yeah. First question is, so if in case Pisces you're doubting yourself around this time, please stop it. Do you realize that you're magnificent? Believe in your magnificence and embrace your power. Know that you are strong enough to set boundaries with others and assert yourself in a loving manner. So I believe if this is an ex coming back, then you are definitely drawing healthy boundaries with them and you're asserting yourself in a loving manner, which means, sometimes you don't want to hurt the person, but at the same time you want to draw the boundaries because you know that this is toxic for you and you know that this has no future, and you know that you have to protect your heart, protect yourself from this person, but you really like this person. I understand, Pisces. We all have those exes in our lives, but it's saying that you can do both. You can be loving and you can set boundaries at the same time. You don't have to be rude for that. You don't have to completely burn the bridges if you don't want, or you're not ready for it right now. That's completely fine. So you are loving and you can draw boundaries. Allow yourself to be who you truly are, a loving and magnificent being. So you can love your partner or your ex from a distance too. There's absolutely no harm in that. If you're not, if you say that, I don't think it can go forward, or the other person is not ready to commit to you, so you want to just stop where it is right now, you can always tell them that, I think we can stay friends, and nothing more. And I can still, that ways you can stay connected to that person and love them from a distance, love them as a friend, be there, you want to care for them, you want to love them. So for the time being, love them as a friend, because this is what the angel of inner strength is telling you. Do not question yourself. Don't think that you're not good enough if the person rejected you, and don't think that you have to be rude to draw boundaries. You can draw boundaries. You are very, very good. You are magnificent, as the angel is saying. Draw boundaries and love that person from a distance if that's not good for you, if that's what you feel. Okay, the angel of clarity. Are you trying to gain clarity? Of course, if it's an ex coming back, you're definitely trying to gain clarity on whether this person really loves you and that's why they're coming back to you, or if it's just, another lust story. You know what I mean? Do things seem hazy and dark right now? Yeah, I think definitely yes in your case, and that's why you're questioning yourself, Is your path unclear or uncertain? Now this can definitely be in your professional life too. If you think that you are not good enough and that's why you're not getting that job, or you're not good enough and that's why you're not getting that promotion, or whatever that kind of feeling might be, the angel is saying, go within to see the positive in all circumstances. Like they say that if something was not given to you, doesn't mean that's the only best thing that was there, and there's no better thing that can be there for you. It was maybe protecting you from something, whether that was a relationship, a boy, a girl, a job, a business, anything. So it's saying go within to see the positive in all circumstances. If that relationship didn't happen, it was for your good. If that work, job, or business didn't happen, it was for your good. So there is definitely something positive in it, right? That was, like they say, if it happens according to our wish, good. But if it doesn't happen according to our wish, that means it's happening according to God's wish, which is even better. So think like that. Focus on the matter at hand. Maintain loving thoughts surrounding your current life situation. So don't become negative about it. Don't think that you can't see your path. Sometimes when we can't see the next step. For example, you've broken up with your boyfriend and you can't see the next step. We start feeling negative about it. We think that everything is dark and we can't see anything. We feel the blank. Don't feel like that. It's saying maintain loving thoughts. Focus on yourself. Like the law of attraction says that focus on yourself instead of that person. Focus on yourself instead of that job. Do that. So when you start focusing on yourself, which means pampering yourself, which means taking care of yourself, anything from spa to massage, doesn't mean that you have to go out. You can do all these things at home also. Taking care of yourself inside and out completely, exercise, spending time with nature, go for walks, whatever it is, things will change. And this way you will be able to see that there is light at the end of the tunnel. You will automatically feel happy. So send and think loving thoughts only. The positive affirmation for you is, I see my life situation clearly and from a greater perspective. I am focused in all that I do. I am lovingly conscious in every action I take. I proceed with a greater understanding of what is required of me. Beautiful. So in case you think that nothing is helping you around this time, say these positive affirmation, Pisces. Start saying it today. Say at least 3 times at once. Speak until the full moon, and definitely you will get the clarity that you want. You will get the inner strength that you want, right? So the message for you to take from here is that you are magnificent, and that you are strong enough to draw boundaries. If some of you are facing problems in drawing boundaries because you love that person and you don't want to hurt that person, or you don't want to lose that person, you can draw healthy boundaries in your limits. You can definitely do that and still stay loving at the same time. And again, the angel of clarity is asking you to maintain loving thoughts. So I guess the only thing that you need to do around this time is maintain loving thoughts. Draw boundaries with loving thoughts, get clarity with loving thoughts, everything with love. Okay, do it with love, whatever you do. Alright, Pisces, this was your reading for the full moon of June 25th 2021. You guys take care, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.